and welcome back to techystack channel. Today we'll try to explore one more new topic. So I'm opening the financial sample Excel file. So when you go and check this under column E, so unit source. So here I have some special characters data. So with an earth rate. So now we'll try how to remove these things. So I want to remove and I need to place something else, some XYZ data. So how we can do with this UiPath. So let me go to this UiPath. And as usual, taking this read range workbook activity. Okay, and the sheet is sheet one. Now I need to take this path. So this is my path. So entire data I'm storing into one table. Use any table. Okay, let me create the variable. Okay, I created this. So after this, I'm taking one assign activity. So under this assign activity, I will create this. How can we remove that with the help of link queries? We'll do that. So if you want to do normal things, you can read and loop for everything, and you can change that. So if you go like that, it's very difficult. For example, if you have the upgrades here also, just assume that I have upgrades here also. So then it's a very difficult to looping everything. So that's why I'm going to normal link method. So let me update and I have the query which I have built earlier. So let me update this query. So what is it? Something. Okay, let me check Excel data table. Okay, here Excel data table. I need to give this Excel data table. Excel data table. That error gone or disappear. So what this condition returns now? So just reading that Excel data table as new variable and select reading the one for a function from that Excel data table. It will clone after it reading the one by one rows and adding the row items to the specific things and looping the everything, and it finds where it is finds with the add rate. So as of now we are using add rate now. So where it is add rate, just keep it as changed. Okay, and everything is converted to array and finally storing into the our data table. Okay, this is the method which we are following with the link queries. Just I'm clicking on this OK, and that error got disappeared. So let me close this, and finally I want to write the train stuff. So for checking purpose, so I'm taking here write range workbook. Let me take, and I'm taking the same path, just I will make it as one. Here sample one, and the sheet name I will make it as the sheet one, and here data table is extract data table, sorry, Excel data table. So this is done. So now let me run into debug mode. So first of all, as usual, it will read the data. So let me check here data is read or not. So data has been read, and we can see all the things has been the at the rate. So let me step into. So in this step, what it will do, it will just change the particular data. So let me clear this here, and again I will update the same data. So now if you go and check here, so you can see this data changed. Okay, now let me update the same thing into the right range. So bot execution has been completed, and I'm going to the output file. This is the one. And here, okay, every time I'm forgetting the headers, forget about that. And you can see this here. I have the at the rate. So just I changed to changed value. So this is a method how we can remove the unnecessary characters or words. If you want word, you can change the word as well. So with the help of link queries. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.